Welcome to Mindfulness and Emotional Intelligence Practice with Mindful Visionaries. My name is Jasmine and I am the founder of Mindful Visionaries. So today I'll be taking you through a focused attention practice. So this is amazing for regaining that little bit of focus at work, helping you to produce your best work, and also instilling a little bit of calm into your day, regaining your sense of control. So first, I'd like you to get into a comfortable and seated position where your spine is upright, you are both alert and relaxed. And I invite you to close your eyes or allow your gaze to fall just a few feet in front of you. We're going to start by connecting to an intention for this practice. So your intention may be to regain focus, to relax and have a little more calm, or to understand and practice on how to be a more effective leader. Once you have this intention, I'd like you to bring your attention to your breath. Begin by noticing each inhale and each exhale. Coming back into the body, and noticing how you currently feel in this moment. Now, with your attention on your breath, I'd like you to find where you can feel your breath most vividly. This might be at the tip of your nose, in your throat, in your stomach, or perhaps your chest. Wherever it is, I'd like you to focus your attention here, noticing the sensations of your breath. And just breathing naturally. Breathing in and breathing out. This place is called your anchor breath. And whenever your mind wanders, I'd like you to bring your attention back to this place. What we're going to do now is I'd like to invite you to count each of your exhales from 1 until 10. And if your mind wanders, just coming back to 1. And can you be curious and kind with yourself when you're bringing your attention back to your breath? As you're counting, if your attention wanders, bringing your attention back to the sensation of breathing. With gentle kindness. your breath to be a kind of home base for your attention and for your awareness. Thoughts are coming, thoughts are going. There's no need to push them away or to bring them closer. We're just observing and paying attention. This is the case for any sounds you may hear or anything you might be seeing. And after these 10 breaths, I would like you to just see what it's like to sit for 2 minutes. If you enjoyed the counting, then continue to count. And otherwise, just being open to what is around you. Again, acknowledging but not pushing away. And when you get distracted, coming back to the sensation of your breathing. Gently opening your eyes fully, returning your attention back to the room, and stretching any way you might like. I'd like to invite you to think of the practice as not necessarily being over, but instead taking this quality of attention back to what you were doing before, to whatever activity that might be. So this is the end of the practice now. So I hope you enjoyed this. A very short, focused attention practice. Let me know if you liked it and any other practices that you might find useful. And I will see you next time.